Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking in how we can restore our data that we did backup on our Google Drive. Now it's pretty simple, and for that purpose you're going to need a Google account and your data being backed up there. So luckily for this video I have already have that set up, so let's head into the video. Now I'm going to open my browser and let's just switch to incognito tab so we can guide you step by step from the beginning. Now you're gonna want to open your drive.google.com. It's gonna lead you to this page, and you're gonna click on the three lines here, and from the menu you're gonna click on sign in. Now you're gonna sign in with your Google account that you used to back up your data. I'm gonna blur this out. And once you're in your Google Drive, you're gonna click on My Drive. And here you can see all of the files that you have here. Now for me, there's this backup folder that I did earlier, and now I want to restore this data. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click here, and there's this download option. It's gonna make a zip file, and it's gonna open this window. So now you're just gonna save the file. And there you go. Now you have successfully downloaded this data, and now you can restore it by opening it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.